Hello. Just like yesterday, I am not going to teach you a new lesson from our math program because we are playing catch up with the boys and girls who are here at school with me. So instead, we are going to work on a Halloween scavenger hunt, and it's working on multiplication. You should have an answer sheet that looks something like this that was sent home. Okay. And what you're going to do is you're going to have some cards, or I'm going to show you some things on the screen. I'll read the problems, and then we're going to take the time to stop the video after each card, just like yesterday, to work on the solution. And your task is that you can draw a picture, make an array, or write a problem, and find the product for each card. And product is the answer to the multiplication problem. So here we have card 1. I'll read it, and I'm going to give you an example of how to solve it. And then we're going to move on to the other cards. Card 1. If 6 spiders are climbing the door, how many spider legs are there in all? Well, when I look here, I see a spider has 8 legs. Okay. So, and I can use this space here to help me solve, to do the work. So if I have 6 spiders, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and each of them have 8 legs, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I can make an array that represents the 6 spiders and their 8 legs. Whoops. It's kind of hard to be nice and neat and tidy. Yours is probably and hopefully going to be nicer than mine. So that's an example of a way that I can use to solve it. I made an array, but I also need to write out the number model in the box. So my number model, going down, I have 6. And there's 8 legs on each spider. And if I don't know the answer to 6 times 8, well, by golly, I just made an array that can help me. So all you need to do is count up your dots, and you will find that you have 48. So 6 times 8 equals 48. The next card, I'm going to go through and read all the cards. Pause after each card. Go to your paper and solve it. Card 2. 7 bats each caught 6 insects. How many insects were caught in all? Card 3. 4 trick-or-treaters got 1 treat each at 8 houses. How many treats did they receive in all? Card 4. If 5 black cats each really had 9 lives, how many lives would that be in all? Card 5. There are 3 packages of candy corn. Each package has 7 pieces of candy. How many candy corns are there in all? Card 6. There are 3 haunted houses. Each house was haunted by 8 ghosts. How many ghosts were there in all? Card 7. 12 pumpkins each had 2 glowing eyes. How many glowing eyes are there in all? Card 8. There were 3 scarecrows in the field. There were 5 crows on each scarecrow. How many crows are there in all? Card 9. Mom let me choose 3 pieces of candy to eat every day for 10 days. How many pieces of candy did I eat? Card 10. I heard each owl hoot 6 times. There were 6 owls. How many hoots did I hear? Card 11. Mom baked 20 cookies for Halloween. She decorated each with 4 candies. How many candies did she use? Card 12. There are 2 witches wearing striped socks. Each sock has 9 stripes. How many stripes in all? After you have finished your sheet with the answers, on one of the computers on the desk in the classroom, there is this book. It's a Rumpelstiltskin book. It's a different version of Rumpelstiltskin than you might have heard before, because this one includes multiplication. Listen to it and enjoy.